what's up? It's me Prerna and welcome back to my channel. Before I start this video, look at how short my hair is. This is the shortest it has ever been and I got a haircut about like 3 weeks ago, and if you're on my Instagram you've probably seen it already, but if you haven't, look at how short it is. I am very excited about it. But that's not what this video is about. Today I'm taking the spicy ramen noodle challenge. If you've seen the title, you know already. And I'm doing it with my little sister. This is Disha. Everybody meet Disha. She's my little sister. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Disha and I'm Prerna's favorite cousin.
I never said that. Like literally never.
So today we are going to do the world's spiciest ramen noodles challenge.
Now we've seen the videos before and we know it can get pretty spicy, so we've got backup for desserts. We've got desserts for backup is what I meant. And we've got tons of ice creams and what else?
And we both have zero spicy tolerance.
Spice. We've got pretty low spice tolerance. Hers is better than mine actually.
Yeah. And I'm a big foodie than her.
So she loves food and she's the one who's going to be cooking it today. So we've got the packet with us right now and this is what it looks like.
And we bought it from Nature's Basket.
Yeah, so it retails for 125, which honestly is very expensive for a packet of ramen noodles. But let's see what the hype is all about and we're going to cook it
right now.
Yeah, now let's do this together.
Let's do this.
No, wait, let's do this together. So without further ado, let's do it with me. Let's get on with the video. So we have our ramen right here with us. Are you excited?
I'm damn excited as
I'll be honest, it doesn't look as spicy
as we thought.
Yeah.
But the color is
I mean,
quite
we better
red.
not say before we've tried it. And we've got drinks for backup just in case. But I just want to say RIP to our stomach after eating this. But let's dig in. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Can you see?
Can you see the color, guys? Check out the color.
Wait, I wanted to eat it together.
It's damn spicy. It's damn spicy.
Wait, where are you? Why are you going out of frame? Okay, first bite wasn't so bad because she ate first. I can literally feel the burn right now.
My stomach is legit burning.
Already?
Yeah.
My tongue is burning right now. Okay, it's getting spicier by the minute. Can you taste the chicken? Because I can't.
I can't see the chicken in it. It's very spicy, guys.
Wait, let me take a second bite and be like, judge it a bit more. I'm taking a big bite.
I'm taking bigger than you.
When you eat it, it's not as spicy. But if you like let it sit, it's getting spicy.
I'm having my drink.
I'm actually doing pretty fine for now. I'm speaking also. But it's getting spicy. Whose spice tolerance is better? It's mine. You literally just like had a bite and you were done with it. You walked out of the frame. She bought the ice cream.
ice cream.
She bought the ice cream out already. I'm like, I'm okay. Are you that like not okay?
Look at my eyes. It's watery already.
What? It's spicy now. I'm not able to bite it properly. But I can speak. So it's good. I'm doing okay, honestly. I really am. I just take a small
Okay.
I am okay, but I just need to take a small bite. Why do you keep going back for more if you can't eat it?
I like the taste, but it's damn spicy.
My nose is watering. My eyes are fine.
Already?
Yes. No, shut up. You can't say that. My eyes are fine. I'm slurring my words a little bit. But it's okay. It's okay. Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm feeling guilty.
Why?
I take my words back. Who has the better
I
tolerance?
win at this challenge. Like,
Just finished it more.
it looks the same on the plate. I don't know why, but I've eaten it so much more than she has.
Oh my!
Why are you lying? It's getting to me a little bit. It's not even hot. I just keep blowing on it because it's so spicy. My mom's in the background. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, just say hi.
Hi.
She says hi. You guys, you should subscribe. She's eating ice cream because she lost already.
She lost one.
She lost the challenge. She was showing off. I have better spice tolerance. She can't eat only.
How's the feeling?
I'm okay. I am okay.
Even I'm good now. I feel
Because
good.
you ate half the tub of ice cream, you finished your drink, and I'm just sneaky. Don't you dare, it's mine.
Please.
Get another one from the fridge, it's mine.
I'll get you one. Give me.
No.
Please give me.
See? Whose spice tolerance is better now? Disha, you just like a
I'm
big
done.
show off.
I can't eat anymore.
She's just saying it for the sake of it. Now she's going to finish the whole thing off camera. She'll be like, oh my god, I finished my thing. How do you feel?
My face says it all.
She keeps going out of the frame and then just forgets where she was sitting.
I'm new to her channel, that's why you will keep watching me.
This was your first and last video, honestly. I just know. I'm kidding. You're my baby.
Hello? Guys, my mom just called me and asked how's the challenge going, and I told her that I'm winning.
How dare you? Like how?
She's proud of me.
I swear my drink is literally full. It's just opened. The back of my mouth is burning again. I can't
You're
eat.
just showing off in front of the camera.
I'm
I'll see you after the
genuinely
video.
I'm genuinely doing it. I mean, I don't want to eat it because it tastes like very...
Weird.
Yeah, it's floury almost. Like the flavor is only there because of the spice. But it's like
It doesn't have any proper...
Indian flavor that we used to because of the Maggi and stuff that we eat. So guys, this is how much I could finish because of the taste.
Look, the quantity. Wait, I'll show you guys.
You took bigger bites than me and you
But
took
I finished it.
You took the
It's
support
not
of
about
ice
the
cream.
bites.
She took support of the ice cream and the drink and you guys witnessed it. She's going out of the frame again. See? And I was in the frame the whole time and I managed to finish this much without drinking a sip of anything, okay? Don't be coming at me like that. So just so you guys know, I still haven't taken a sip of any of the drink or the ice cream that was here.
Neither did I. I didn't even drink a sip of Maaza. I just ate the whole thing. You guys
What?
can check my plate out. See, there's nothing.
She's such a liar. You like lie with a straight face and you don't even like have any...
Guilt inside.
Yeah.
No, I don't. As they know the clear winner,
Which is me.
which is me.
Can you like at least admit that it's
Yeah,
me?
guys, Prerna is the winner as she didn't even take a single
This is
sip.
my first victory sip, as I like to call it. She is not even saving the ice cream for me. Like she didn't even offer me. I don't want it anymore.
You want it?
No.
First, learn how to take a sip. My nose
She's
has-
gotten red and it's not because of the blush. It's because of the spice. Okay. Honestly, now come in the frame again. Honestly, how did you find the whole challenge?
It was spicy, but not that spicy. My stomach is burning as it was hyped. The taste could be better.
Yeah, honestly, like Maggi and all, I prefer, obviously. Indian taste buds can like honestly tolerate it, and the spice is okay. I mean, I haven't even finished it. I'm still doing pretty fine. I have my ice cream here with
You
me.
can have my ice cream.
So guys, why do you want to complete
Because
my-
I'm a younger sister, I have that right.
Nobody gave you that right, at least not me. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that was it for today's spicy ramen noodle challenge. We really enjoyed eating it, more like suffering. And if you enjoyed watching us, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and
Comment down if you want me to do some crazy challenges with her.
I don't want that to happen. Please don't.
Please comment down.
Anyway, comment down if you would like to see more of her on my channel. We'll see what we can do for challenges and stuff. It's really fun because she is my little baby. She's not really that aggressive. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, which is right down where?
And she'll see you
Where?
soon
Right down where?
below.
Which is right down there. It will mean a lot to me if you guys subscribe. And
she'll see you soon, hopefully.
that was mean, okay? That was mean.